What's up, guys? It's me, Flick, and we're back with another video. So in today's video, we will be reviewing my F350, my Ford F350 welding rig with a Miller welding setup. So this is from a Jurassic Park set. I actually bought the set just for the truck. Kind of a waste of money, but whatever. Because this was originally just the truck, and then I made it into a landscaping truck, and then I stripped the bed off, and now it's a welding rig. So I used to have a F350 welding rig, but that was kind of crappy, so I just took that apart. Don't worry, guys, I'm not going to take this one apart. So as you can tell, this is pretty much the paint scheme, or not the paint scheme, the color scheme, and mainly the cab and front end are fairly original. Some minor changes were done to it, like having the Ford double headlights. This is a dually, as you can probably tell. I don't really like how it sticks out so far, but you know, it is what it is. Moving on to the flatbed, I really like how this turned out. If I could, I'd build a bunch of these, but you know, whatever. So here's a little welding rig. There's not many tools on here. I still need to get some on. You can't really tell, but there's the little exhaust. Here's the welding gun. Probably not a good depiction of it. It's literally just a little Lego pistol. There we go. And then here's, I think it's a propane tank that gets put on these welding rigs to for the fire, I'm pretty sure, or just to fuel the generator. I really do like how this turned out. But yeah, hopefully you guys like and subscribe, and if I'm lucky, I'll see you in the next one.